baby massage and baby yoga instructor, and in this section I'm going to talk you through a baby massage bedtime routine and a little bit about hormones to help you with understanding massage for your baby as well. So when we're massaging baby, it's really helpful to get those feel-good hormones going for your little one. So if we're using skin to skin, if you're using oils for baby, that skin to skin process can really help to build on those feelings of love and building that bond and relationship between you and baby. And that's because we're really getting those feel-good hormones going. So oxytocin, serotonin, they're all the real good feel-good hormones that are going to be created between you and your baby through that feeling of touch and through that time that you're spending one-to-one with your little one. When we're massaging before bedtime, those hormones of serotonin are really increased through massage, and the hormone serotonin can really help with those feelings of relaxation and sleep. So of course, doing that before bedtime, if you find the right time for your baby, so for some people it might be just after bath time, before going to bed, or if baby's not having a bath that night, it might just be a little downtime before going to bed, and that can really help to aid that relaxation and get baby ready for sleep. So for our bedtime routine, we're going to start with some sleepy strokes on the head. So we just want to make sure we're avoiding any touch around the head with our fingers or hands. We don't want to put any pressure on the top of the head here. And we're just going to start by taking our fingers or thumbs towards the top of the forehead, stroking from the centre out towards the temples. So we're really helping here just to help baby relax those eyes as much as possible. We can then bring our fingers down to trace the eyebrows, again helping to relax those heavy eyes. And then we can bring a stroke down from the top of the forehead down towards the tip of the nose, again just encouraging baby to relax those eyes. We're then going to move down to some chest massage. So we're going to start with our hands resting on baby's chest, and then we're going to bring our fingertips to the centre of the chest for baby, and we're going to go with a warming heart stroke. So we're taking our hands up onto the shoulders, coming back round down to the centre of the chest. We're then going to take a full body stroke down from the tip of baby's from the top of baby's head all the way down to the tip of their toes, and take that all the way down again. We're then going to move down to our leg massage for baby. So we're going to support the ankle with one hand and the other hand coming towards the top of the leg, and we're going to bring that Indian draining stroke all the way down the leg and then alternate that hand. So you've always got one hand supporting the ankle and the other hand is taking that stroke with a nice firm pressure down the leg here. So we're really helping to relax baby's leg, boosting that blood circulation down the leg for them as well. And then we're going to go in the opposite direction, supporting baby's ankle with one hand and taking that stroke all the way up the leg. We'll then move on to our ringing stroke on the leg, bringing both hands up to the top of the thigh and taking that ringing stroke all the way across the leg, all the way down with a nice light pressure here. We don't want to twist baby's leg at all. We'll then lower baby's leg gently, and then you can move on to the other leg and do the same on the other leg. And then we're going to come back to the top of the head and just repeat those sleepy strokes again for baby. Lots of reassuring smiles. Now bringing the fingers over the top of the eyebrows. And then bringing that stroke down from the top of the forehead to the tip of the nose. Try that one with your baby before bedtime and hopefully it will help them get ready for some nice sleep.